Go to the Supreme
Dumaan
Court.
ako sa rat, okay na sa akin. Well, nothing to lose na ako. Nothing to lose, absolutely nothing. Hindi ba rin ako sabihin mo kulong ng habang buhay? Wala ako. Inciting to sedition.
Hindi inciting to sedition. Inciting to sedition. Crime against
Against humanity,
humanity.
ICC.
Kalimutan niya ulit. Sa Hague.
We are not signatory sa sedition.
That's what they're doing now.
Hindi ako, yan ako hindi papayag. I am a Filipino. You are all Filipino citizens. Ako, pag nagkasala, you prosecute me in Philippine courts with the Filipino judge, the Filipino prosecutor, and magpakulong ako dito sa bayan ko. Kung sakali.
They're preparing you to bring you to The Hague.
I am sure. I am very sure. I'm a lawyer. Abogado ka man. I am sure the Supreme Court will rebuke them. Baski na hindi tayo maghingi niyan, the Supreme Court will rebuke them. Tignan mo.